Hello friends, it's Trisha here from Freedom Hill. I am going to give you a tour of our master bedroom and bathroom today. I've been putting this off because I don't have decor up. But since that can take a while, I just didn't want to put it off any longer. So here we are, we're going to have the tour today. What you're looking at now, obviously, is our king size bed. And at the foot of the bed, we have a bench. This is a storage bench. This bench came from the Home Depot, part of my husband's seeds program that they send us for free. So I really love that bench. My husband's nightstand, not much on it. He's pretty minimal. I don't have window treatments up because I just really like the trim on these windows. And I think it just speaks enough for itself. I just felt that it doesn't need window coverings. Obviously, we have the blinds and we close them at night. In this corner, we have a rocking chair and it's in front of a window too. So we get lots of light coming through there. And that's a pretty spot. We have a tall dresser here. We have a TV on it. And then our other dresser here, the dresser scarf on top of the dresser belonged to my grandmother. And then I just have a plant there. My husband keeps some mints. And I have a little jewelry box over there. I have a guitar over here at the side. And that just kind of where that stays. My nightstand has a little more on it than my husband's. I do just some reading. I have a diffuser and I keep these oils out. They don't fit in the drawer and I don't care. I think they look fine there. Then I have a fan. I have to sleep with a fan. I cannot sleep if I don't have a fan. So I keep that. In this corner is my reading nook. We have this comfy chair and this large storage ottoman. This is also from the Home Depot Seeds program. And it opens and I have things stored in there. And it's very comfy even just to sit on. If I want to kick back and put my feet up, then I use it as an actual ottoman. Over here I have my jewelry box, freestanding jewelry box, and then I have my long necklaces on this foam board that I covered with fabric. I think I mentioned that or showed that in another video. It's just covered with fabric and I put clear push pins to hold the necklaces. And I really think they look kind of pretty there. So that is the room. This is probably my favorite picture of all my pictures. A house by a lake. That's kind of my dream, to live in a house on a lake. So I just love this picture. And so I put that there. That's really the only decor I have up. I have a set of framed postcards that are actually Amish quilts I want to put above the bed. We do not have a headboard right now. We are in the market for one. But I just haven't put up any other decor. But I intend to. But we'll see when that happens. This room has a tray ceiling, which is quite beautiful. It has crown molding at the top of the tray ceiling. And obviously, a very functional ceiling fan. So this is the master bedroom. Let's go on in to the master bathroom, which is right here. I really like the size of this bathroom. We do keep a few things out. We're not like minimalists where we have to put everything away. My husband likes his things out because it's convenient, and I don't care because really we're the only ones who see this room. We do have drawers for storage. We have quite a bit stored in there. So this is my hubby's sink where he keeps all his stuff. Over here is my sink. It has a vanity. I have a little chair. I just did a video on this acrylic organizer. I'll link that. I have this makeup mirror and the cord is just wrapped around it because the only plug is way over there by, like behind that towel. And it just won't reach, and I thought I'll just wrap it up. I might put like a little skirt on that or something to hide it, make it look prettier. But this is my space. And it has a vanity with a drawer in my chair and then more storage below. Come over here, we have the water closet, and that's literally all that's in there. I haven't put up any decor yet in there either. Sometimes decor takes a while. You just have to think about things, and I obviously try to use what I have in my home already, but it just takes time. Moving on from the water closet, we have the master closet. Now, I have the light on, but it is a little dark in here, so I'll do my best to brighten up the video when I edit. But this is my husband's side where he keeps his clothes. He has 2 hampers as he sorts it for me, and luggage down there. Some winter coats and things tucked back into that corner. I don't know if you can see that. And then we have this shelf unit, which is fantastic. My husband has the 3 upper shelves because basically I can't reach them. And then we keep our master bath linens on these shelves. Beach towels and all the linens. And then down here I have some of my shoes, my big purse, which I don't carry every day. I carry a small one, but if we go on a trip or something, I take the big one, and then my iron. I have my everyday sneakers, and then my hamper. Over here is my side of the closet, and it is a little tight. It's hard to get in there and show you, but my clothes just hang in there, and I have storage up above. That's a shelf unit. I have some luggage in the back and my boots. And that is the master closet. There's a hook behind the door where we hang things to. And so on this other side of the actual bathroom, we have the master shower, which is quite large, very comfortable, very nice, comfortable shower. So we enjoy having that. And on this side is the jacuzzi tub, which I do use from time to time. I'm not big on bathtubs. I mean, I like to sit and soak in a bubble bath, but I just don't do it very often because I'm always so busy. It has a very large glass block window, which I know they're kind of like from the 80s, but I think this works in here and it gives privacy, so I don't have to add curtains. And then I have a very large plant hanging at the top, which really looks pretty, and it's getting bigger. It's much bigger than when I bought it. So I like the way that looks, and my daughter had given me a violet, so I put that there. I don't keep a lot of house plants in the regular part of the house because of our cats. Our cat Jenny will eat anything, so I just don't keep them in there. This has a very high ceiling with some can lights up there. Keep candles in the corner. It's a very pretty space. I like this master bathroom. It has a tile floor, we have our rugs, and it just really works for us. So that is our master bedroom and bathroom and closet tour. Thank you so much for coming along for this little quick tour, and stay tuned because when I do some decorating in here, I will show you. I will take you along with that. And we're still working on things, obviously. I got messy cords over there and stuff. We'll get to all that. But this is where it is now, and I think it's a very comfortable room. It's kind of a haven. It's kind of off to the side from the rest of the house, and it's our own little space. So we love it. Thank you so much for coming along. Stay tuned. I would love to have you as a subscriber. I'm trying to grow my channel. I think YouTube has been a wonderful, positive experience so far, and I pray God's blessings on you. Bye for now.